Most people think buying a local SIM is the only way to get data in Panama, but here's the surprising truth. eSIMs work instantly, avoid SIM swaps, and can be cheaper for short trips. I tested all major eSIM options, so here's what I found. Airlo is a top choice, connecting to Movistar and cable and wireless networks. It offers fast 4G coverage in cities like Panama City and Colón, making it ideal for most travelers. Holofly offers unlimited data eSIMs, which is great for heavy users. Setup is simple. Purchase online, scan a QR code, and activate immediately. Nomad has competitive pricing for moderate data plans and offers quick support if you run into issues. It's best for short stays for business trips. Most people get this wrong by assuming coverage is identical across providers. Some rural or remote areas may have weaker signal. For city travelers, all three work well, but Airlo often has slightly faster speeds. The surprising truth is that with an eSIM, you can keep your home number active, avoid roaming charges, and have instant internet upon arrival. This makes it perfect for travelers who rely on navigation, messaging, and work calls. So, which is best? For unlimited data, choose Holofly. For best coverage in urban areas, Airlo. For short trips with moderate needs, Nomad. If this guide helped you pick the best eSIM for Panama, subscribe for more travel tech reviews before your next trip.